Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have these 3 grapes that were kept outside for around 3 to 4 days, and as you can see they are completely rotten. So instead of throwing them away, I thought why not look at this rotten grape juice under the microscope. I am placing a small drop of this grape juice onto a clean glass slide. Now I am carefully lowering a cover glass on the top of the drop. This spreads the liquid into a thin layer so light can pass through it clearly. Now I am removing the extra juice from the sides using a tissue paper. This prevents flooding the microscope stage and keeps the sample neat. So the slide is about to be ready now. We will place it under the microscope. The first thing that immediately catches my eye is the presence of large oval shaped cells. These are much bigger than everything else around. They look like tiny transparent eggs or small grapes inside the microscope. Many of them have a smooth outline, and some even have a small oval shape attached to it. The larger oval organisms are called yeast cells. Yeast naturally lives on the surface of grapes. When grapes rot, the sugar in the fruit becomes food for them. They multiply very fast. Sometimes you can see a big yeast cell and the small one budding from it, like a mother and baby connected together. This budding is how yeast reproduces. Around this big oval yeast cells, I can also see many much smaller round dots. These are tiny compared to the yeast. These are most likely bacteria shaped like cocci. They look like grains of paper or tiny pearls scattered everywhere. Some are found alone, some are in pairs, and some are in small clusters. These bacteria take part in the rotting process and are one of the major reasons the grapes smell so bad. If I look carefully, I can also see very tiny oval-shaped microorganisms. They are smaller than yeast but slightly bigger than the tiny round dots. These are often called coccobacilli, a shape that is between round and rod-like bacteria. They are common in spoiled fruit and actively feed on the broken down tissues of the grapes. Along with them, I can clearly identify rod-shaped microorganisms. These look like short sticks or tiny sausages under the microscope. Rod-shaped bacteria are called bacilli. Some appear single and some form short chains. These rod bacteria release enzymes that break down fruit tissues, making grapes soft and mushy. You can also notice that some of these tiny organisms shake or move slightly. Many times this is Brownian motion, movement caused by water molecules pushing against them, not because they have legs or muscles. Real swimming movement usually appears as fast, straight or wavy motion. So inside this one drop of rotten grape juice, we are actually seeing a complete microscopic community. Large oval-shaped yeast performing fermentation, tiny round and oval bacteria involved in spoilage, the rod-shaped bacilli breaking down the fruit, all working together, eating the sugars, producing gases and changing smell and texture. Something that looked like simple rotten fruit to the naked eye becomes under the microscope a busy living ecosystem. So this is what really happening inside rotten grapes. It's not just juice, not just bad smell, but millions of microorganisms living, growing and interacting with each other. If you enjoyed seeing this hidden world under the microscope, press like, subscribe and tell me in the comment what sample should I observe next. Maybe spoiled bread, pond water or kitchen sink water. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next microscopic adventure.